In most trading strategies like SMC or ICT, most traders use FVG, the fair value gap setups. So you must know what is FVG. So here are these simple introduction in a small video. You see the first candle, then I make a second candle with a huge displacement. Okay, then you get a third candle. Between the first and third candle, the gap between these candles are called FVG, the fair value gap. So how it's look like this. Okay, let me explain you something more important. What is that? That you must include the wicks. Okay, if there is no wick, then you have to consider the body. If there is no body, then you have to see the wick to consider a valid FVG. If the wick is crossing and it's matched with the first candle, body or wick, it's not a valid fair value gap. Let me show you some example. Here is the gold 4-hour chart, and here is the recent. You see a first candle above side, the red, okay, is like a inverted hammer or whatever you call. Then the second candle and the third candle. Okay, so between first candle and the third candle, wick or body we will consider is a fair value gap, and we anticipated that market in some time will come and mitigate order block or this fair value gap and then push down again according to their buys. Understood? So here in the left side or right side, wherever you see the situation like this first candle, second candle and the third candle, okay, if there is a gap between the candle where you see the displacement, is called FVG, the fair value gap. Hope you understand. If you want to learn more about the ICT strategies or SMC, you must come to my YouTube channel called Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. Here I also mentioned the ICT Judah swing in just a 5 minute, and also have a strategy where ICT said if you can quit your job in 90 days by following these strategy. And you will get my WhatsApp group link in the description of the videos, where you can come and I will give up provide a free signal based on my strategy, not ICT, not SMC, not another, only my strategy with a free you can use with demo account, and then you can apply your real money. Best of luck.